Hi friends, welcome to my channel. This is my first video on math tricks. In this video, we are going to see three simple math tricks that will blow your minds. Let's get started. Firstly, we are going to know a trick in multiplying by 6. If we multiply 6 by an even number, the answer will be end with the same digit, and also the number in the tens place is in the answer will be the half of the number in ones place. So let's take 6 into 4 is equals to we don't know what, and here I'm going this is the 4 is an even number, and the answer will be end with 4. And what the extra number over here, it will be the half of the ones digit. So what's the half of the ones digit? It's 4. So 4 is the half. What's the half? It's 2. So the answer will be 6 into 4 is equals to 24. Like that, I'm going to take another example. I'm going to multiply 6 by 6. And what will we get? 6 will be the last digit. And I'm putting 6. And the first digit is to be half of the last digit. What's the half of 6? It's 3. And the answer will be 6 6 are 36. This is an easy way to multiply a number by 6. And the second trick is going to be the 11 rule. This is a quick way to multiply a two-digit number by 11 in your mind. Let's take 49. So I'm taking 49 as the two digit. First, separate the two digit, like separating and add them. So add 4 plus 9, and it is what? 4 plus 9 is equals to 13, right? And we'll write 13 aside. Then place the number 13 in between the two digit as answer. So we got a half of the answer. What's that? 4 9 is the last first and last digits, and we got some numbers, that is 13, right? So 13 is a two digit number. Here the number 13 is greater than 9, right? So put ones digit. What's that? Ones digit is 13. So put 13 in this middle, 3 in middle, and add the tens digit. What's the tens digit? 1 is the tens digit to the first number. What's the first number? It's 4. So add 1 to the first digit. So 4 plus 1 is equals to 5. And we got the answer. So 49 into 11 is equals to 539. Okay. And I'm going to take another example 2. So, in my first example, I have taken 49, right? So, in this, I'm going to take 72. It will be more easier than 49. So, first separate the two numbers like that. First, separate the two numbers and add them. So, I'm going to add 7 plus 2. And what's the 7 plus 2? 7 plus 2 is equals to 9, right? So 7 plus 2 equal to 9. So it's so simple to write the answer. That is, the first and last digits are, the first digit is 7 and the last digit is 2. Okay. And the middle digit is to be 9. So we got the 9 as the answer. If we got 2 or more digits, we have to add them to the first digit of the answer. But we got 9, it's a single digit. So we have no problem to write the answer. And we got the answer quickly, right? So 72 into 11 is equals to 792. So in the last of the video, I'll give you some examples and some works. Please finish them and chat me in the comment box. Okay. And the last important, very very important trick is to multiply any two-digit numbers in your head. Okay. So here I've taken 43 into 21. These are so big numbers. Okay. And what we'll get, I don't know. Really, I don't know what I'm going to get. So first, multiply the first number. So this will take you what's that? A huge of time to memory the concept. And after you memory that, you'll be easy to do the works. Okay. So first first step is to multiply. Multiply what we have to multiply two numbers that are the first digits first number. So first digits first number is 4, right? So 4, and we have to multiply that by first number of the second digit. So first number of the second digit is 2. So we're gonna multiply these two numbers. So what we'll get? We'll get 8, right? So 8 will be the first digit of the answer. So 8 will be the first digit of the answer. Then we have to multiply some another something. Then we have to multiply the second number of the first digit. So what's the second number of the first digit? It's 3. Okay. And also we have to multiply that by the second digit's second number. So this is the second digit and 1 is the second number, right? So we have to multiply 3 into 1 and we get 3. So 3 will be the last digit. Okay, last digit of the answer will be 3. Okay. To calculate the number in middle, so we don't know the numbers in middle, right? So we have to calculate the number in middle. So we have to multiply the first digits second number. So what's the first digit second number? That is 3. So I'm taking 3 aside. One second. So 3, and we have to cross multiply them. So what's that? Then we have to multiply 3 by 2 because 2 is the second digit's first number. First we did like I'll tell some memory thing. We'll take first digit and second digit. So first digit means 1 2 and the second digit 1 2. So first we multiplied 1 1 and 1 first in the first and second first in the second, and in multiplied next we multiplied second in the first and the first in the second in the second. And now to find the middle number, we have to multiply first digits second number 2, right? Sorry, 3, and multiply that by 2, that is second digits first number. So 3 into 2 and we get 3 2s are 6. Okay, we keep this aside and we have to multiply another thing, that is uh, the first digits first number. So what's the first digits first number? It's 4. So we'll take 4 and we have to multiply that by second digits second number. So what's that second digit second number? It is 1. So we have to multiply 4 into 1 and we get 4. Then this is the important step we have to do to find the middle number. So that is add the first 3 into 2 equal to 6 plus plus 4 into 1 is equals to 4. So what will get 4, sorry, 6 plus 4. What will get 10. So 10 will be the middle one. So but here the 10 is greater than 9. So in the second trick we have done that already, and 10 is greater than 9. So we have to put this ones digit in the middle. So what's that? 0. And then the tens digit, add the tens digit to the first digit of the answer. So we have to add 8 plus 1 and we get 9. So then we got the answer as 903. And this is our full step we have done. And we got the answer 43 into 21 is equals to 903. And we are going to see another example too. So we have done all our three simple matrix on multiplying. Okay, multiplication we have done, and I'm going to give some practices. So first is practice with the rule 11 rule. Okay, so we have to multiply uh, a two-digit number with 11, and I already told you in the second trick, right? And I've given two examples to you. So watch this fully thoroughly and do the sums and comment me in the comment box. And the next is practice in two digit into two digit. So lastly see that. So we have to multiply a two digit number into a two digit number. So I've given two sums and practice this, and thanks for watching Exactly Math. Okay, thank you.